Here we go. Boys and girls, I saved my file on this flash drive, and now we're gonna put it into the laptop over here. So check it out. Open the laptop. Come here and take a look. Okay, we need to turn it on so the password is cutter. And here we go. So then put your flash drive in the side. There we go. A dialog window should open up, and there's my file. Okay, double click, and it will open in Illustrator. All right, takes a little while to get used to the trackpad on this computer. Now there you go. You see, nice and thin, just like we made it before. So we should be pretty much ready to go. What I would suggest you do is select one of these lines and check, and there it says stroke 001, just like we made it in our laptop. So now we're ready to go to the printer. Okay, so before we do that, we're going to go to the actual laser machine over here, and we're going to set this up. So take your material. I'm going to choose this piece of thin cardboard for this demonstration, and we're going to put it in here. Okay, so you're going to put it in the top left. All right, and because that's 0, 0, that top corner. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to focus the machine on this material so the laser hits it with the most intensity. So the switch is right over here. Just flip the power switch. Okay, and you'll hear it come to life. Okay, awesome. Now it's ready to go. So there's a button for focus right here. So press focus, and it'll move the head to this position here. So what you do is you take this little piece, and this is the distance gauge. So take it, flip it over, and put it back on there. It sticks in the magnetics. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to use these arrows here to get the material to just touch. So I'm going to lower this a little bit until it's clear. See, now we have space here, and I'm going to raise it a button at a time until you see that piece, just angle it, just start to move up. There you go. That was it. So then take this, flip it over, put it back, and hit reset over here. Hit reset to get out of that mode. Now we're ready to get back to the computer. Okay, so come on over here, and we're going to go to File, Print. Now in here is where we have to make sure that everything is fitting as you see it here. Perfect. 0, 0. Okay, so you see here 0, 0, and that's what you want to see. You want to make sure that your piece is positioned right there. You can click this little box to make sure it's there, or you can type numbers in here to shift your parts left and right, up and down. You can offset, but this is where we want it to be positioned. Okay, once you see that and you're good, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Setup and Preferences to bring us to the dashboard of our cutter. Now right here is the speed and the power for cutting, these vector settings. Okay, so we're going to look on our chart for the material that we want to cut, and we're going to go back here. We're going to go 80% speed, and we're going to go 100% power. Okay, so that's a good setting for this. I'm going to click OK and print. Make sure it's right where you want it there, and you're good to go. Now when you hit print again, it's going to actually send the file to the machine. So if you look right here on the display, when I hit print, you will see it come up. There it is, My Parts 01. Okay. So now the file is in the machine. The machine is focused. You need to turn on the 2 fans. The first one is the red exhaust fan. It's very important. It takes the fumes out. And this is the assist fan, okay, which keeps the any dust from settling there and getting caught on fire. And then you can just hit go once both fans are on, and you can watch it start to do its cutting. Okay, and that's it, everybody. Hope you got all that. See ya.